challenge never ends. The new Saltiga has arrived, with technologies evolving into the ultimate design. Saltiga goes forward into the new offshore world in unprecedented ways. The challenge of Saltiga, which has excited anglers worldwide, begins now. Toughness, power. The new Saltiga aims for unrivaled durability. Saltiga's new challenge, unparalleled rotary performance and ultimate waterproofing. Saltiga now uses magnetic oil developed by NASA. The magnetized fluid prevents water intrusion and delivers the ultimate in smooth rotary performance. The high-accuracy digigear drive system is created by advanced machine-cut technology. Daiwa has surprised the world by evolving the original digigear technology to an even higher level. Saltiga uses Zion for its air rotor. By increasing the surface area, it has enhanced its strength and durability, as well as dramatically decreased its weight. UTD, Ultimate Tournament Drag, produces smooth and stable performance with minimal startup inertia. Saltiga, pursuing ultimate toughness and usability. X-Torque construction reduces power loss when the rod is loaded and enhances sensitivity, strength, and jig operability. The new Saltiga rods utilize 3D cross-wrapping for high-shape memory, providing ultimate toughness. This enables it to withstand massive fish strikes and gives it ultimate fish control. K-guides automatically eliminate line twists and wrap. Lightweight titanium frames maximize the advantages and usability of the rod. A split grip handle design decreases weight and increases comfortable rod action. With its ultimate design, Saltiga is an unparalleled brand in offshore game fishing. Nothing can match its powerful visual identity created by the combination of reel and rod. Saltiga, moving ahead. Reborn to heat up oceans around the world. The fight never ends.